So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today we have a breaking news video about how the Supreme Court has ruled that Uber drivers should get more pay, more benefits. We're gonna get into the article today. This is huge news, huge breaking news. As you guys know, there's a lot going on in California, as well as within the United States for Uber drivers being classified as employees. And then Uber and Lyft have basically responded saying, well, we don't want to make drivers employees, but we're willing to compromise in order to give drivers more benefits, more pay, etc. So we don't really have to make them employees, but kind of create a new type of independent contractor employee mix, because, you know, drivers don't really fit into the whole category of employees with signing up for a shift, getting training, all that stuff. It just doesn't really work, because most drivers end up quitting after, you know, a few weeks or so. So we're gonna get into this article right now and just go over what the Supreme Court thinks. This is pretty big news. So yeah, if you haven't heard this news yet, I'm gonna break. Don't worry, I know I'm gonna talk about it all. Before I get into it, really quick, use the link down below for GetUpside. I know I've said it before, but guys, up to 25 cents back per gallon of gas. If you're going and filling up 10-15 gallons of gas, every single time you fill up gas, there's money to be made. So if you're not using GetUpside yet, use the link down below. If you use my link, you'll get an additional 15 cents off. So it could be up to 40 cents on your first fill up, and then, you know, up to 25 cents back every single time you fill up. If you're going to the gas station, you're not like taking a picture of your receipt and getting money back. You're just wasting, like, there's just free money waiting for you, basically. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get started. Here we go. This is on money.usnews.com. This is big, right? So let's hopefully it'll load. Here we go. Canada's top court rules in favor of Uber driver in gig economy case. An Uber sticker is seen on driver Margaret blah blah blah. Canada's Supreme Court on Friday ruled in favor of a driver in a gig economy case that paves the way for a class action suit calling for Uber Technologies to recognize drivers in Canada as company employees. That's crazy. The Supreme Court of Canada is actually saying that drivers need to be considered employees. I don't know if you guys remember, but there was a big thing that got exposed, and I actually went to the Uber hub in LA. And they have different bathrooms for employees and for drivers, and it's a little weird. Like the employee bathrooms are definitely way nicer, and the driver bathrooms are not as nice. It's kind of messed up. And then also obviously benefits and everything. But I mean, the divide is clear. It's really there. Uber Eats driver David Heller had filed a class action suit. So guys, the only way that this stuff's gonna get done is through lawsuits. Uber's not gonna just fork over everybody, become employees. The only way they're gonna do it is if they get sued enough times that it makes sense for them financially to just classify drivers as employees. Heller's attorney said the decision allowing him to sue was important, but only a small first step in a case that will probably take years to litigate. The ride-hailing company's contract allows arbitration, but not class action lawsuits. After the ruling, an Uber spokeswoman said the company would amend its contracts to align with the court's principles without giving details. Going forward, dispute resolution will be more accessible to drivers, the spokeswoman said in a statement. 2 days ago, California said it plans to ask a state court judge to force Uber and Lyft to classify their ride-hail drivers as employees rather than contractors. Canada's 8-1 Supreme Court. So guys, I know this isn't Canada, but this has huge implications. US and Canada have been pretty much on the same terms. Lyft in US and Canada is pretty much the same. Uber and Uber in US and Canada is pretty much the same. Just as much as, you know, California's ruling with this has huge implications for other states. If Canada all of a sudden makes all drivers employees, what do you think is going to happen in America? You guys get what I'm saying. You know, these people, I wouldn't be surprised if, even if one of you guys watching this might sue Uber for the same thing, for all these benefits. I mean, you know, you guys have seen Jay Crador on the Rideshare Guy. I'm pretty sure he sued Uber as well for back pay and stuff. So yeah, guys, the arbitration process, which must be conducted in the Netherlands, where Uber has its international cost, about 19 grand, 14 grand. Heller earned 21 to 31 grand per year. This was an access to justice case, blah, 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 blah. This is the first round in a series of rounds. A few more years. Uber shares were down 2.7% around noon. So yeah, guys, this is huge news. I just want to update you guys. But yeah, Uber drivers might become employees. Use the link down below to sign up for GetUpside to get up to 25 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up. Here, I'll just show you guys really quick. This is how much money I've made. Well, I usually cash out every few days, so I don't have a huge balance right now, but I have $7.84 if I can click on this really quick. And you can redeem it for all this stuff. I can just show you guys here. Over 500 bucks back. Amazon, Nike, I just do the money to PayPal. That's the easiest way that I like to get paid, through GetUpside. But yeah, use the link down below to sign up for GetUpside, and you can start literally getting cash back every single time you fill up gas. So thank you guys for watching so much. Have a great and amazing day, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.